Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I filmed another video doing an abstract painting using the acrylic pouring technique. This is so relaxing watching the paint flowing in all directions and forming some nice shapes. This time I used different shades of green and some gold acrylic. I'm starting by adding one by one all the acrylics that have been previously diluted with a pouring medium. Now let's see the magic. If you haven't seen my previous video with the pouring technique, you can check it right here. For a special effect, I'm adding some silicone oil. I'll link all the products that I've used in the description below. That was for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up and tell me your opinions in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more art related videos. I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye guys!